Hello guys, this is Kwok, and today I prepared GRE Quantitative 27th Reasoning question. The category is comparison, but the specific theme could be trial and error, or I would say arithmetic representation. It's going to be an interesting time, so let's get started. Today's question is pretty short, however, it could be difficult or is how depending on how you think about the question. So, as always, I will give you 3 or 5 minutes, but today I will give you just 3 minutes. Then pause the video and solve a question on a sheet of paper with your pencil instead of thinking or just watching this video. Let's get it, guys. Then, let's read the question one more time and underline important factors. A, B, C, and are three consecutive odd integers such that A, B, C. But C is the largest one and B is larger than A, like this way. There is a condition. And we have to compare quantity A and quantity B. And quantity A shows A plus B plus 1. Quantity B is B plus C minus 1. So there could be two solutions, but first of all, let's think about the standard solutions. Standard solution means the solution that we need to think about as a standard one instead of easy one. So three consecutive odd integers could be important factor. Solution 1, let's write down here. And then solution 1, standard solution could be, as we always did previously. Still, we don't know which is larger between quantity A and quantity B, so we cannot write down like either this way or this way. So I'm going to just write down question mark. In that case, we can rewrite the formulation. A plus B plus 1 and B plus C minus 1. But the important clue is consecutive 3 odd. So the consecutive 3 odd could be like a 1, 3, 5, or like for example, 7, 9, 11, like this way. That means consecutive odd integers. Does it make sense? Yes, right. So one of the smallest integer in odd number is A. In that case, what is the next consecutive odd integer? It could be A plus 2. Is that correct? Yes, right. And then the consecutive one could be A plus 4. So A, B, C. If we rewrite it, it could be written as A plus 4 is larger than A plus 2. A plus 2 is larger than A, like this way. So A plus 2, A plus 4 could be consecutive integers with odd number. So let's rewrite in this position. A plus 2 plus 1 question mark, because still we don't know which is larger. B should be A plus 2 plus C is A plus 4 minus 4. And then let's rewrite it. 2A plus 3 question mark, because we don't know. 2A plus 6 minus 1 equals 5. I'm gonna just shorten the formulation to save the space, guys. But we can figure out that 2A is equals, and then we just have, I'm sorry, let's rewrite a little bit different way. because we need more space. We just have 3 and 5. In that case, which is larger, guys? Of course, integer 5 is larger than integer 3. So we could say quantity A is smaller than quantity B, or quantity B is larger than quantity A. So there are choices A, B, C, D. In that case, which is correct? Quantity B is larger than quantity A, so it should be choice B. So ultimately, choice B is the answer because quantity A is smaller than B, or quantity B is larger than A. Does it make sense? Yes, right. Then let's move on to solution 2 with a little bit different one. So right now, let's think about the solution, the second solution, or solution 2. Sometimes we can feel nervous, and then we could feel that we can't do anything, and then we can't understand at all what the question is asking to us. In that case, we can insert a specific number and then we can compare as we always did before. That could be dangerous, but sometimes it could be useful for us to save the time. So let's do the same way. A, B, C, and R, 3 consecutive odd integers such that A, B, C. So consecutive odd integers, let's write down just like a 1, 3, 5, like this way. In that case, A should be 1, B could be 3, C could be 5. So let's insert it, and then we can compare. 1 plus 3 plus 1. In that case, the left side, quantity A is 5. What about quantity B? 3 plus 5 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equals 7. So quantity B is quantity A still. Does it make sense? But we can have suspicion that, hey, Mr. Kwok, it could be too much, like a overgeneralization. In that case, yes, right. I told you that it could be the dangerous solution. However, it could be our ultimate, like the solution when we don't have enough time. In that case, but what we have to do is we have to insert like a large number either. And then we have to find out the larger numbers are also fit into the question or fit into the specific formulation. Let's think about 101, 103, 105. So in that case, as it is like a confusing, let's write down just a solution 3. So quantity A could be 101, B 103, C could be 105. Then let's just insert 2 quantity A and B. 101 plus 10, 3 plus 1. 103 plus 105 minus 1. Then 204 plus 1, in other words, 205. 208 minus 1, in other words, we can just write down 207 here. So even when we insert large numbers, it could be, the result could be same, which means in this situation, 207 is larger than 205. So we can generalize that quantity B is larger than quantity A. So ultimately, if there are choices, B is correct answer because choice B means represents quantity B is larger than quantity A. Does it make sense? Yes, right. B should be the correct answer. So today's question was a simple comparison. And then comparing, numbers regarding consecutive odd number. But what if the question was consecutive even number? Do you think the answer could be changed, or the answer could be the same? Think about it by yourself, guys. And then we talked about the arithmetic representation, and then we talked about when we compare something, we could think about the standard way, or like let's write like this way, easy way. Easy way means inserting just a specific number, and then we could think about it. So technically, this way could be dangerous. And then this should be the solution that you guys have to know. However, sometimes it could be, a suitable and proper and more beneficial for you guys when we have complicated formulations, or when we have like a deficient time while solving the quantitative reasoning questions. So when you encounter the specific question, please think about diverse solutions from now on, because it's going to be really beneficial. And should you have any further questions, please let me know anytime, and then we will encounter very similar questions to this quantitative 27th question. And please click the subscription and like button and alarm button either, because for the next video, it's going to be really my intrinsic motivation and really beneficial to myself. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day. See you later.